Hi guys, since we have already made a few video talking about one and one Ionas or just Ionas has a hosting provider, why not visit the web god and dive into what the Ionas website builder has to offer? Is it modern user friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Inos website builder review. Anyway, where everybody as we will start with this Inos review by looking at the very first part of building your website, choosing a good looking template. Inos does not go wild with its template though there are only a handful of them. They design here a clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That's a creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed the gain text at the top that keeps screaming AI, AI, AI. So let's look at what the Ionos AI website builder offer. Its work with prompts. So we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this there a quick setup for color fonts and your website info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now note every generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and setup. Overall I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and the modern approach with AI integration is plus. For Inos you have the main menu on the left with all you need: app, market, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible analytic. However, the app market could use more app. Right now it's mainly offer translator and booking at one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the web to other tools available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach. Dare say I say quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a smaller version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to mess with website structure, adding teammate section or rearranging them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor greets you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to selection setting, then to element and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual element, you can add, say, section is not extensive, but it's decent in an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not change the entire editor. It's only effective the specific section you are working on. This means you can mix drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simple doubling clicking on it. They bring out the standard word editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continuing with the time, you can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I do not know how much I would recommend using it. A better thing is the Ino stock picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about licenses or other stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting decisions, the Inos website builder editor feels and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything else here is a quite self-explanatory. The style tab allow you to customize color fonts and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page, and of course the shop is for product management. Alright, let's answer that question. Is Inos good as a website builder or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's a surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does all have a few odd design choice and could benefit from more design option or variation, it's still a solid choice. It may not be the best website builder, not there, no, but it definitely a tool ID recommended for beginners. So give Inos a shot and don't forget these discounted link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching my Inos website builder review.